Hello friends, today we shall discuss divisibility by 5, rule of divisibility by 5. Here, a number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place is divisible by 5, right? For example, we are taking one example, suppose the number is 45. So one number we have taken, that is the number is 45. 45. Here the last digit is 5, therefore it will be divisible by 5. Now here you see 45, if we divide 45 by 5, we are getting 5 nines of 45. Yeah, 45, right? That is divisible. If I take remainder is 0, right? Now if we take another number, so suppose 120, 1, 2, 0. Here you see the last number is 0, therefore it will also be divisible by 5. Let us divide 120, 120, right? If we divide by 5, we are getting 5 to the 10, 12 minus 10 is 2, 0, 5, 4 ja 20. Right? That is, it is also divisible by 5. That means if the in ones place, if the digit is 5 or 0, it will be divisible by 5. Let us take another example. Suppose the number is 450. 400, we have taken another number, that is 450. 450. The last number is 0, that means it is divisible by 5. Let us divide this number 450. If we divide by 5, it will be 5 9, 5 9 is 45, 45. Now 0, the 5, it is 0, that is 0, right? And the remainder is C, it is also 0. That means it is divisible. Remainder is 0. That means a number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place is divisible by 5. Suppose I have taken another number. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 0. We no need to divide this number 5. If we see that in ones place it is 0, therefore it is divisible by 5. Right? And another example I am taking 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 5. Here the ones place, in ones place the number is 5, therefore it will be divisible by 5. Right? Therefore you can say that a number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place is divisible by 5. That is the divisibility rule of 5.